Hello everyone, welcome to Bright Edge Media. My name is Jamie Livingston. I shall be your very host for today. Ensure to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and share as well. Now let's join our very own instructor in class for today's training.
Hello and welcome to Bright Edge Media. It's such a joy to be here with you again, and today we want to look at something interesting. Without wasting time further, let's dive into it. All right, so stick with me all through to the end of this short training. All right, so don't go away. I'll see you in class. All right, welcome back to class. Today we want to look at how to create a studio photo shoot without having to visit a studio. All right, and also without a photographer having to take you a shot, and also without a camera. You don't need a studio, you don't need a photographer, and also you do not need a camera to be able to have a photo shoot. All right, so we're going to be needing these tools very quickly. The first one we're going to be needing is the app I call the Pinterest. So Pinterest, we're going to need that app because of some of the pictures we're going to be sourcing for, okay, that we're going to download. Okay, not only that, we're going to be needing a chatbot, okay, that we can share our idea with, okay, and we can interact with, okay, that can help us to define and describe the kind of picture that we sourcing from Pinterest. Okay, so and that picture we're going to call it image reference 1. All right, so we're going to be needing a chatbot for that. So, and the chatbot we're going to be using a ChatGPT. So let's take note. And then the third one we're going to be needing is called an image generator. Okay, an image generator to help us generate the new studio photo shoot picture, okay, that we want to have at the end of the day as the final result. Okay, so but to be able to arrive at that, we are going to have our own image reference. Okay, so we're going to call that image reference 2. Okay, the picture that you want to convert, okay, to a look alike studio photo shoot photo, okay, or picture. Okay, so that is what we're going to be doing. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. Okay, so I'm going to try as much as possible to just make this so short. Okay, I've been able to try this up, okay, and that is why I want to just share with us briefly. Okay, so let's start with the fact that the first thing you are supposed to do is to go to Pinterest. Like I said earlier on, Pinterest is the #1 app that we're going to be in need of. Okay, so you're going to go to Pinterest and you are going to search for the image source for images, studio images. Okay, so this is my Pinterest app. Okay, I just opened up. Okay, and you're going to go to the search button and you're going to type, okay, let's say if it is for the ladies, you can say beautiful ladies, or let's just say studio photo shoot, studio photo shoot. Okay, both for men and women. Okay, so that it can get us for both genders. Okay, so this one we're just getting the one for couples. Okay, so we can just search for the one for let's just say beautiful ladies. Okay, beautiful ladies front view photo shoot. Okay, and then you have a lot of them, a variety of them. Okay, so let's just pick one. Okay, we'll download this one. Let's work with it. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to source for the studio photo shoot picture that you want to mimic after. Okay, So we're going to take that one. So that is how you start. So we pick that one and then you minimize that. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to your chatbot. Okay, so I'm going to be needing ChatGPT, like I said, and that's what we shall be using. So so you're going to go to ChatGPT. Okay, go to your plus sign. Okay, click on photo to upload the photo. All right, so once you've been able to do that, okay, so the next thing you want to do is to use this simple prompt. Okay, so I'll paste the prompt here. Very short. It says, describe this image using background, lighting, pose, angle, outfit, and makeup. Just give the description aspect mentioned above, excluding the facial description. Okay, you don't want the face of the person of the image to be described. Okay, so the other features can be described. So, and I told ChatGPT be professional about this, as this is for a high profile project. Okay, so once that is done, then you hit send. Okay, so I'll hit send down and then we are going to wait for the result. Stick with me, don't go away. All right, if you're still with me, so we've been able to instruct ChatGPT to go ahead and give us the description, and it has done that from background to lighting to pose to angle to outfit and makeup. Okay, so all what we need. So what next you're going to do is to copy this whole description that ChatGPT has given you, okay, of the photo, okay, that we downloaded from Pinterest. So we gotten everything. All right, so you copy that and then go open another chat on ChatGPT. Okay, so ChatGPT is still what we're going to be using, okay, for the image generation. All right, so this is one of the ones I've done before. So once that is done, you go to your new ChatGPT and then you paste your prompt there. Okay, paste the prompt there, and then let's add this to it. Okay, hold on while I quickly type it. Stick with me, don't go away. Okay, so if you're still with me, so I just added this to the description of the picture we downloaded from Pinterest that ChatGPT has given to us. So I add this to the beginning of it. I said, with the image reference uploaded, generate my high profile, high premium, professional image using the detailed prompt below. Okay, and then I pasted all the description that ChatGPT had given me. Okay, so now that being done, then the next thing you do is to click on the plus sign, go upload. Now this time we're going to upload the image to, okay, that's the image reference to, that is the picture of that person. Okay, maybe a birthday celebrant wanting to have a birthday badge, the birthday party, and has given you a picture, okay, to help him or her prepare a photo shoot picture or photo. Okay, so that is what we will want to do. Okay, so that is that. So you're going to go pick the picture of the celebrant, the birthday celebrant, or whoever it is. Okay, so but for the sake of this training, I am going to use let's say I'm going to use this lady here, this face. Okay, I click on done. All right, or let me use the face of an avatar that I have created before. Okay, so let me say I'm picking this one. Okay, so I'm using that as the image that I want to transform into a studio photo shoot photo or picture. Okay, so that being done, and then we hit generate. Okay, so wait for it. All right, you're welcome back if you're still with me. So we hit generate, asking ChatGPT to go ahead and generate our image. Now this is the image generated by ChatGPT. You can see how lovely and how beautiful this is looking. Okay, you can see everything just looking as if this image was right there at the studio having a photo shoot. Okay, and look at the outcome, so impressive. Now so after that is done, you can save your picture. Okay, that is your studio photo shoot, okay, without needing a studio, without a photographer, without a camera. Okay, so I understand that there are other image generators that you can use. Okay, aside ChatGPT, you can use image. You can use Imagine. You can use whatever any of the Google AI Studio image generator that you feel like. Okay, but I love ChatGPT so much because it's always detailed. Okay, it keeps to instruction, and provided you have the rightful prompt to give to it, you can always have the result you want. Now, the last thing I want us to do is to look at changing the wardrobe of the new studio photo shoot picture, okay, of image. Okay, so this image that we now have right here, okay, so how can we change the wardrobe? If I don't like this wardrobe, this wardrobe is looking, that's the kind of wardrobe, the initial picture we downloaded from Pinterest. This is the kind of wardrobe or outfit she was having on. So I want to change it to something else, okay, something official. All right, so the next thing you have to do is to ensure you have the copy of the new outfit you want her to be putting on. Okay, so I'll go to the plus sign and then I'll go upload the dress. Okay, I want her to be putting on. Okay, let me look for a very nice dress here. Okay, so let's say going for this one. Let me pick this green one. All right, then ascend. Okay, and then the next thing I want to do is to go pick our own picture. Okay, the very new one. Okay, so once that is done, the next thing you want to do is to give it this particular prompt that I am going to be sharing. Okay, and you can also copy that. Okay, it's for free. Okay, you can copy that and you can use that also. All right, so I just paste the prompt that it says change the outfit of my image reference to the outfit of image reference 1. Okay, character consistency should be highly maintained and locked in. All other details and elements remain consistent. Okay, the image generated should be high-end, realistic, sharp, moderate skin tone, color, and clean. All right, so my new image is the image reference 2, while the outfit is the image reference 1. All right, so as soon as we're done with all the details, let's go ahead and hit generate, and then I'm going to pause this video and then we'll be right back. Stick with me, don't go away. All right, you're welcome back. If you're still with me now, we've instructed ChatGPT to go ahead and get the job done, and here is the final result. You can see how cool and loving this looks. Okay, and I tell you that with this you can make a very good run figure, and also for those of us who are content creators, we can use this as helping people who are into fashion designing. Okay, help them promote their business. You can promote their brand or their products or their wares, okay, using all this your AI influencers, okay, wearing or displaying their wares or their products. Okay, and by so doing you can also be earning with it. Okay, this is another kind of niche that goes into fashion. All right, so like I always say, that the only way you can pay us back is that you like, you subscribe, share what we bring to you every time we are here with you online, and also toggle on your bell notification so you will be receiving upcoming updates from us. All right, so here is where we'll be wrapping up the curtain, and until next time when I will be coming your way again, have a very wonderful one. And before I go, lest I forget, if you have something you wish that we should treat or talk about in our next discussion, you can always leave that right in the comment section below. And until I come your way again, I remain your very own instructor. Have a wonderful one, and bye for now.
Welcome back from the training. Hope you had a wonderful training session. If this platform has been of great help today, please like, subscribe, and share. Ensure to hit that bell as to notify you for upcoming tutorials. Bye for now.